iPhoto because that is where your pictures need to be saved for iBook to be able to see it. So you can go to iPhoto either by the Launchpad or go into Finder. I'm going to go to Launchpad and I see iPhoto, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Okay, I'm going to move this to the side. Now I'm going to go to Finder, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the server, and so go to Student, you're going to go to 5th grade, and you're going to go to Perry. In Perry, there's a purple folder, Perry State Symbols. Once you open that up, I'm just going to pick a random example. I'm going to be Arizona. All I need to do is multiple select. I can drag over one at a time, or I can click on bird, hold the shift key, go to tree, and just go ahead and put it into my iPhoto. Once they're all loaded up, that's all you need to do for this part 1.